This is 60 Second Civics from the Center for Civic Education. I'm Mark Gage. During wars and emergencies, free speech and press frequently are curtailed. Government officials seek to limit dissent or criticism in the name of defense. Early examples include the Alien and Sedition Acts of the 1790s and restrictions on expression imposed during the Civil War. From World War I through the McCarthy era of the 1950s, states and the national government enacted laws punishing suspected anarchists, socialists, and communists for advocating draft resistance, mass strikes, or the violent overthrow of the government. Many people were prosecuted for violating the laws. In the 1969 case of Brandenburg versus Ohio, the Supreme Court adopted an approach to free speech and press that was much more tolerant of provocative, inflammatory speech than past approaches. The court explained that its decisions had fashioned the principle that the constitutional guarantees of free speech and free press do not permit a state to forbid or proscribe advocacy of the use of force or of law violation, except where such advocacy is directed to inciting or producing imminent lawless action, and is likely to incite or produce such action. Between 1969 and 2001, the court heard very few cases involving the Brandenburg Test. However, in 2001, terrorist attacks on the United States rekindled public debate about whether the Brandenburg Test is too lenient in times of war and emergency. That's all for today's podcast. The show's theme song is Complacent by Cheryl B. Engelhardt. You can find Cheryl online at cbemusic.com. 60 Second Civics, where civic engagement only takes a minute.